Today, let's decorate for Halloween. I'm going to be going over to my daughter's later, and we're going to be setting up a really special display outside of her house. And then we're going to be doing some fun table decorations inside and a few other things as well. So I wanted to take you along with me. I thought you would enjoy this fun opportunity to see how she decorates, which is very unique. And actually, I'm going to be joining Davida Lane in her Halloween home tour with this video. So don't forget, if you'd like to learn more about home decor, holidays, house plants, anything to make your house a cozy and warm place for you and your family and your friends, then try subscribing. I think you'll enjoy the content that I have to offer. Alrighty, so my first job before I go over to my daughter's will be to do a really fun centerpiece for her one table. And I wanted to show you how I did that. So I have this galvanized pitcher, which is going to act as like a vase for this project. Of course, I have some greenery. I have some purple. Oh, look at these fabulous feathers that I have. I've had these for years. So if you purchase any of these, know that they'll hold up if you take care of them for lots of different purposes. And then my daughter bought these black roses at the Target dollar spot. And she also got some these sparkly twigs at the Dollar Tree, along with these lovely eyeballs. Now, I saw on Pinterest a little craft where you take roses, black roses, and you can hot glue the eyeballs right in the center. Isn't that darling? So that's the first thing we're going to be doing today. I'm just putting some on the back side of the eyeball, and then we will spread out the petals here on the rose and just place that eyeball inside. We'll push it down for a minute while we're waiting for the glue to adhere. And there you have a rose with a creepy eyeball right there inside. Aren't these just cute as can be? Let's get started on putting it together. And this is a quick thing. Just one tip, sometimes these galvanized containers, especially a tall thin one like this, can be very lightweight, and you don't want your arrangement to tip over. So I have rocks that I've placed in the bottom of the pitcher so that it will be very stable wherever I put it. The first element I'm going to place into my pitcher here is a little bush of greenery. I love this little bush. I use it a lot in different arrangements. Just use it over and over again for different seasons. And then, because the eyeball roses and flowers are the tallest pieces, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the arrangement first. You might notice that we actually have 2 roses and 2 peonies. Until I started gluing in these eyeballs, I didn't realize that they were peonies. Black peonies. I've bent the roses a little bit like this so that you can be sure to see the eyeballs in their centers. And then, guys, I have these purple flowers. They're little bushes that my daughter got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and add them in. Only have 2 of them, so I have spread them out so that they'll look more full in the arrangement. And then, let's see, I think I'm going to go in next with these sparkly branches. And I just have 2 of each. So 2 purples. I'm going to place one down here in the front. A nice black one here in the back. And then I think I might do a purple one kind of here in the center. And then one over here on this side. And lastly, we're going to go in with these really pretty feathers. As you can see, the front side features the eyeball roses, and we can see the greenery trailing down, and of course these lovely purple and black and a little bit of orangey red on the eyeballs for Halloween. Guys, this is the front of my daughter's house as she has it set up for Halloween night and all the trick-or-treaters. And if you've seen some of my other videos from earlier, you know that my grandsons love dinosaurs. So she has a T-Rex, a Velociraptor, and 2 little baby Triceratops. Listen to the T-Rex. He's quite fierce. And the little children who come here are mesmerized on Halloween night. And even their parents take a lot of photos. Isn't this the funniest thing ever? Isn't that funny? So we are going to go on inside, go in the front door and take a look around my daughter's house. We're going to see her living and dining room areas that are decorated, and her family room and some of her kitchen. So that's our journey tonight, to have a look. enjoyed our little video about decorating for Halloween today, and maybe got a couple of ideas or inspiration for your own home. And so this is probably my last video for fall decorating that you'll see in my, you remember I have a special fall series that I will put a link to down in the comments below. But that series is called Warm and Cozy Fall Decorating. Check it out if you'd like a few more ideas for your own home. And next, we're going to be moving on to Christmas. And I know it's a little bit early, but I am going to be doing some videos that can help you prepare for those days when you're going to start decorating. So stay tuned, and I'll be back again soon with a great set of videos for Christmas time.